Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing Hero Wars. We're going to be talking about the Furnace of Souls. It's this thing. We're talking about how to get the best score in the Furnace of Souls. And yeah, so one of the best ways that I found is if you send the heroes one at a time with Albus, they can normally get like 15-ish kills. Some can normally get like 15-20 kills. Some can get even more. Faceless still only gets 3, so you probably might want to put him with someone else. You could try to get all 50, like using 5 heroes, except that, or some guy with only 1. Yeah, but that is, takes a lot more time, and B, unless you don't skip the battle, or B, uh, it's a maximum of 50 points, so if you use 5 heroes, then you're averaging 10 monsters per hero, and you can do much better just sending them one at a time. Now, I don't know how some people did it with only 1. Let's see. Watch. Oh, this is on different across servers. However, seems to try to keep Artemis alive. What I don't understand is how she survived the later battles, because the enemies can do a whole lot of damage in the later battles. Let's see. Artemis is doing all the damage. So, this guy's typically where everyone starts to die. Wait. Only that wasn't 50. I do not understand. Maybe that was the last team they had when they got 50? I am not sure, actually. Not sure. So yeah, the best strategy I found is to send them in one at a time with Albus as the pet. You can assign patronages. I believe they're max level patronages. Patronite, whatever. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.